morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about unitary method and today I will teach you about average. Children, as we know our topic is average, so first I will explain you about average. That means what is average, how to find average, why we need to find average, etc. Average means something that represents a middle point. Average means something that represents a middle point. Or you can say average is the quotient obtained by dividing the sum total of a set of figures by the number of figures. Okay, means the average is one of the numbers. It is calculate add up all the numbers that then divide by the how many numbers there are. Students, how average is calculated? It is easy to calculate. Add up all the numbers, as already I told you, add up all the numbers then divide by the how many numbers there are. In other words, it is the sum divided by the count. In short, it is the sum divided by the count. In short, you can say it is the sum divided by the count. That means if some numbers are given, suppose examples, one example I am taking here, find average and number is given here 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, then how to find? What I told, it is the average is the sum divided by the count. Average is the sum divided by the count. That means average, that is sum. Sum means you have to add all the numbers. What is given here? Means what is given? 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 and divided by the numbers. Number, that means how many numbers are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers here? 5. Means after then you have to add all the numbers together. 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 25, that is 75. And 75 divided 5, that means 5 1 is 5 and 5 5 is 50. Means average of this given number, that is 15. Average of this given number is 15. That means here average is the sum divided by the count. In mathematics, you can say that an average is defined as the mean value for a set of unequal values. In mathematics, average is defined as the mean value for a set of unequal values. Okay, another examples I will take here. See, example is 16, 6 and 8. What is the average of this number? 3 numbers are given, 1, 2, 3. So what is the average? Average means what numbers are given here? You have to add together 16 plus 6 plus 8 and divided. What we have to write here? How many numbers are given here? 1. We have to count the number. 1, 2, 3. What is here? 3. Add this number, that is 16 plus 6, that is 22 plus 8, 30. 30 divided by 3, that is 10. So what is the average of the given number? Average of the given number is 10. Average of the given number is 10. Now see, the result is obtained by the adding the numbers together and then dividing this total by the number of quantities. What I did here, the result is obtained. How we get the 10? How we get the 10? By adding the numbers together. Means all the numbers we are adding together and after that dividing this total by the number of quantities. Number of quantity, that means how many numbers are given there. 1, 2, 3. That is numbers of quantities. Then we get the average. Now, students, one more question arises here. Why do we calculate average? Why we need to calculate average? Averages are useful because they summarize a large amount of data into a single value and indicate that there is some variability around this single value within the original data. Okay, then here if four numbers, example, one more examples I will take here. Suppose if four numbers are given here, any four numbers are given, any four numbers are given, four, example, one more examples we will take 15, 25, 30 and 20 and 10. Then I told you four, only we will take the four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are here? If four numbers are added together, their sum is divided by how many numbers? 4. So what I told, what we have to do? Average, that means what numbers is given there, we have to add all the numbers together. Means on the top 15 plus 25 plus 30 plus 20. Okay, after adding, what we have to do? We have to divide this sum by total number. Means how many numbers are given. What is the quantity of the number? We have to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number here? 4. So we will divide it and find, after adding we have to divide it by 4 and we will get the average. Okay. In short, we can say one formula we used. Now that formula you have to learn. Average, that is sum of all the observation, sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. Students, what I told, average, that formula you have to learn, and now I explain you what we have to do. We have to add what numbers are given, we have to add all the numbers together, and after then we have to divide this sum by the number of the observation. That means number of the, how many numbers are there, we have to divide it and then we get the average. Okay, now one example, one questions I will take from your exercise book, chapter 5. See here, first question is, a vegetable vendors earning in 5 days. Where? A vegetable vendors earning 5 days and their earnings are, what is the earning? Earnings are, what is 45 rupees, 50 rupees and 43 rupees and 52 rupees, 52 rupees and 60 rupees and 60 rupees. Okay, that are the vendors earning in 5 days. Then what was his average earning? What was his average earning? So what I told, when you will solve these questions, then first you write the formula here. What formula we will write here? Average, that is sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. What is the sum? That means we have to add all the numbers together. What numbers are here? 45 plus 50 plus 43 plus 52 plus 60 and Number of the observation, how many numbers are here given? Already in question mentioned 5 days. They earn in 5 days. And also you have to count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers here? 5. So we will write in the down 5. The students, be remember, you have to add all the numbers what are given there, and that sums will be divided by the total number. Means how many numbers are given there. Okay. Now add this number together. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 0. Then 10. That is what we have to write 0. And 1 is the carry. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 4, 25. And divided by 5. Reduce this number. 5 5s are 25, 5 0. What is the average? That means their average income is 50 rupees. What is the average? 50 rupees. It is very easy. Okay, only you have to write this formula. Sum of the average, that is equal to sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. And after that you have to add all the numbers together and then divide it the total number of quantity, means how many numbers are given there. Okay, now second question from your book. See here, the weight of 4 students of class 4 is given. The weight of 4 students is given what? 27, 23, 28 and 30 and all are in kg. Okay, the weight of 4 students are given here of class 4. Then you have to find the average weight. Means what is the average weight? What is the single number? We have to find the single number. How? Average, that means you have to write the formula. What is the formula here? Sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. Okay, and what numbers are given here? 27 plus 23 plus 28 plus 30. Okay, sum of all the observation I written here. 27 plus 23 plus 28 plus 30. After then draw a line and divide it by what we have to write. How many numbers are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are here? 4. And also in question is mentioned 4 students weights are given. Here also written, and otherwise you count and write 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers? Here 4. Add the number. First we have to add the ones. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 0, 18. What we have to write? 8. And what is the carry here? 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. What we have to write? 4. And divide this number. 4 2s are 8. And that is 2, 8, 28, 4 7s are 28. What is the average weight? Average weight is 27 kg. Weight we will denote by kg. Average weight is 27 kg. Same way students, here observations are given, different numbers are given. Then what we have to do? We have to add all the numbers together, and after then we have to divide by number of the observation, and after then a single digit we will get. Then that is called the average. That's where we have to find the average. Okay, students, means here average, I explain you how to find the average and what is average and why we need average. I hope you have no doubt in these chapters, and only one this formula we have to use. Average, that is sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. Means in questions, if any data are given, you have to add all the data together, and afterwards you have to divide it by number of data. How many numbers are given, how many numbers you are adding together, that numbers we have to write in the down, and after then divide and find the single unit. single number. Okay. So students, in next class I will give the notes of this chapter average.